When it comes to project management tools, Asana and ClickUp are often at the top of the list for agencies. But which one is truly the best for your team? In this video, we'll dive into both platforms, looking at key features, pricing, and overall performance to help you decide which fits your agency's needs. Stick around, because we'll also explore a powerful alternative that might just be the game changer you're looking for. Let's kick things off with a quick comparison of the basics. Asana's clean, intuitive interface makes it easy for teams to jump in and start managing projects. It's excellent for task management, offering customizable views and advanced reporting, but when it comes to really deep customization and workflow automation, it can fall a bit short. You might need third-party integrations or workarounds to get everything in place. Next, ClickUp, on the other hand, gives you much more flexibility. Whether you want to track time, manage resources, or dive into high-level reporting, ClickUp lets you do it all in one platform. It's incredibly versatile, but with all those options comes complexity. You can get lost in the multitude of settings, and the learning curve can be steep, especially for smaller teams that might not need all the extra features. Now, the third thing to consider is pricing. Asana's pricing structure is clear and easy to understand, making it a strong option for smaller agencies on a budget. The free plan offers a lot of core features, though you may eventually need to upgrade as your team grows. ClickUp offers a free plan too, but its paid plans can quickly get expensive as you scale, especially if you want access to advanced features. The fourth thing to address is integrations. Both platforms boast a wide range of integrations, but Asana tends to work better with tools like Slack and Google Workspace, while ClickUp has a broader array of integrations, especially with apps designed for development teams and more specialized needs. If your agency works with more technical or niche tools, ClickUp might be a better fit. But for agencies that need a simple, user-friendly setup, Asana excels. Next thing, let's talk about team collaboration. Both Asana and ClickUp offer features like task commenting, real-time updates, and project sharing, but Asana shines when it comes to simplicity. If your agency is looking for something that's easy for everyone to pick up without a lot of onboarding, Asana has the edge. ClickUp, however, offers more robust project views and customization options for teams that need to track multiple projects or complex workflows simultaneously. Finally, let's get into performance. When it comes to speed, both Asana and ClickUp are reliable. However, ClickUp can sometimes feel a bit sluggish, especially as you add more tasks and data. Asana tends to be smoother with large projects and data-heavy workflows, which is something to keep in mind for larger agencies. So, here's the deal, both Asana and ClickUp are solid options for agencies. But after trying both of them myself, I found that if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use, flexibility, and the ability to scale without getting lost in complexity, there's a better option out there. You don't need to choose between simplicity and powerful features. If you're ready to step up your game and find a more streamlined solution for your agency's project management, check out the link in the description for a free trial of the best alternative. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Make your workflow more efficient today.